we are going to occupy our premises. We are going to occupy our headquarters. It is a question of time. And our colleagues who are holding onto that property know that we are going to occupy our property. But we will always act in a lawful, constitutional manner. And we will always act in a responsible manner. We know and we realized as a leadership that there were 30 youngsters who were kept in the premises during the COVID time. They had no protection, and they were just put there as a vanguard. And that was irresponsible. It was endangering the lives of those youngsters and endangering the lives of the public as well. We also knew that they were armed with all manner of crude weapons. We do not want bloodletting at all. We do not want violence. We do not want the use of these youngsters as cannon fodder in a political battle. And we are going to occupy our premises. As you can see, this is a measured leadership. This is a responsible leadership. And we are going to take those steps necessary to occupy our citadel.